In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Klaviyo in Shopify Advanced. To begin, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Make sure you are inside the correct store before you continue, since this setup will connect Klaviyo directly to your Shopify account. Once you are on the main admin screen, look toward the bottom area of the left side menu and click Settings. After that, go to Apps. This is where Shopify manages app connections and integrations for your store. Inside the Apps section, click to open the Shopify App Store. This will take you to the marketplace where you can search for tools that extend your store's functionality. In the App Store search bar, type Klaviyo. When the results appear, choose the official app called Klaviyo Marketing Automation. It is important to select the official app so you are installing the correct integration and giving permissions to the right service. Once you are on the Klaviyo app page, click Install. Shopify will then show you a permissions screen. This page explains what the app will be able to access in your store, which is a normal part of connecting any marketing platform. To continue, click Install App and confirm the permissions. After the app is installed, you will be prompted to confirm the integration. At this point, click Integrate. This step begins the connection between Shopify and Klaviyo, so the two platforms can start communicating properly. Next, click Connect to Shopify. This final connection step makes sure Klaviyo is linked to your Shopify store and ready to use. Once connected, Klaviyo can begin syncing store data that supports email marketing automation, customer segmentation, and campaign activity inside your account. As you go through this process, take a moment to read each screen carefully before clicking forward. This helps you avoid missing a confirmation page or selecting the wrong app. If a page takes a few seconds to load, just wait for the connection process to finish rather than refreshing too quickly. The main goal here is simple: install the official Klaviyo app, approve the required permissions, confirm the integration, and then connect it directly to Shopify. When those screens are completed in order, the setup is done. That covers everything you need to know.